Pangarap mo rin bang magkaroon ng property na may overlooking views ng dagat, beach mall, golf course, and even airport sa loob mismo ng property mo? Dito mo yan matatagpuan sa Bataan. Hi, I'm Tara and let me introduce you to Kamaya Coast here in Mariveles, Bataan. Kamaya Coast is a 2,200 hectares of land composed of residential and commercial lots and condos located here in Mariveles, Bataan. Kagaya ng mga nabanggit ko kanina, meron itong napakagandang white sand beach, lush green forest, golf course, at marami pang iba. Hindi lang beach ang dinadayo dito, but here in Bataan, we have premium real estate development kung saan it is facing the shoreline of the West Philippine Sea. Maraming ino-offer si Kamaya Coast, such as hotels, beach condos, golf villas, overlooking lot, water park, and even beach mall. At alam mo ba na ito pa lang ang nag-iisang subdivision sa buong Pilipinas na may sariling airport? Na soon ay magkakaroon ng flights papuntang Boracay, Palawan, and even Japan. Right now, our beach mall is already operational. We also have restaurants, shops, aquapark at marami pang iba. Imagine living inside this community kung saan lahat ng needs and wants ng family mo is already in front of you. Kaya kung ready ka na to have a piece of paradise here in Kamaya, reach out to us at tutulungan ka naming makuha ang dream property investment mo.